Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 12th, 2022. Yes, my price target was hit in Nano. You guys can see it right now in front of you. I expected the price in Nano to go up, and it did. So now I'm here to give you all an updated price prediction in Nano, give you all a new price target as to what to expect going forward. Now, before I break all of this down, welcome to my channel. I do price prediction. You guys can see it's right in front of you. I do price predictions because I'm expecting the market to act a certain way given the information that I'm looking on the price chart. This is the edge that we have according to everybody else who's participating in the cryptocurrency markets, is that we got to be ahead of them. We got to beat them. We have to beat them to the punch. So if you guys want to join me while I do this, make sure you hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel, tap that bell notification as well, because I'm gonna keep it real. You guys will begin to see that I'm literally the only one out here that's giving you a simplistic form of understanding how to predict price movement. This is powerful information. You should be thankful that you actually clicked on the video and found this channel, because nobody else is giving you all this access for free. Now, check this out. I did a video, like I said, in Nano on March the 28th. It is still here. Nothing changed. You guys can see what price has done in relation to my idea. Can you see that? I was telling you all at that particular moment in time that I was looking for Nano to go up in price. You guys can even see I have an ascending line on my chart, right? That was the trend that Nano's price was following. And for you to track the market, right? After I did the video right here on March the 28th, the confirmation that told us that Nano was going to continue to go up in price happened here, right there. That day told us that we were still sitting pretty and not to worry about us not looking for a price to go down yet. Right there. April the 1st. And the market continued to go up in Nano following April the 1st. And we hit our price target ultimate TP area right here on April the 4th. So 3 days after we got that confirmation that price is still strong and that we were going to continue to go long, that we got our ultimate area, 15%. Right there. See, I wasn't massively bullish. I didn't come through on that particular day on March the 28th and say, hey, I'm looking for the price in Nano to hit $4. Like, I knew that was ridiculous. I give you ideas to where I think how high price is going to go so that we can take the bag, so that we can profit from the move. I wasn't greedy. 15%. Now it's done. It's over. We need to talk about some things, because guess what? Are we still in a trend in Nano? Or did price break the trend? Yeah, we broke the trend. And that should have told you I am no longer going to be bullish into the market in Nano. Right here on this particular day, April the 6th, trend broke. So guess what? I'm not bullish into the market in Nano. The chart is telling me how to think. It tells you what you should be thinking. So the day that the price in Nano broke the trend, April the 6th, you should have said, all right, cool. I'm looking for price to go down now. Because obviously the buyers have given up, or at least they didn't want to allow price to stay on that trend. And here we are today. Nano continues to fall. This tells you who is controlling the markets. The price chart does. Because the buyers tried to come through on April the 10th and try to bring Nano's price back up above the trend, and it still didn't do it. That's why the market fell the next day on April the 11th. Wow. What do you know? So what we need to do now is we need to revamp. We need to reevaluate the situation into the market in Nano. So already I can see where the buyers are going to have issues with the sellers at. I can already see it. Can you? Can you tell where the buyers are going to have problems? Because it's going to be up here. This is where the buyers are going to have problems at. $2.60. Let's keep it real. Okay. This is the level. This is the lid. This is the canister that the buyers will have to break before we really see some bullishness occur into the market in Nano. We keep bumping our heads here. Until we see price break that, we should not be bullish. It's just that simple. All of these days we try to allow the market, the buyers did, they tried to allow price to break above $2.60, and each time they fell. So now we really need to try to determine where would be the next stronghold for the buyers. Where are they at? This would be the next level here. Okay, $2.10. So you guys can tell that I'm creating an area or a battleground between sellers and buyers, because in every market, you got people who's trying to buy, you got people who's trying to sell. We identify where the sellers are at. Now we need to try to identify where the buyers. And literally, this could be a spot too. We can literally see buyers approach the market in Nano right here. This would be better for us to see the market in Nano find the buyers at 220. That would be better. But let's see what we got on a different time frame, because if the market doesn't look like buyers are going to hold 220, then I'm going to get rid of that line. 2-day time frame. It looks pretty good. This current 2-day price bar actually shows us that buyers are stepping into the market in Nano. We can see that. Okay. Which kind of leads us into that there may not be that much weakness right now in Nano. 3-day time frame. This is different. This is a different story. When you look at this from a 3-day perspective, that looks weak. Okay. That doesn't look strong at all. What happened right here is weakness. And we're still showing that the sellers are dominating the market in Nano. Like once I look at this zoomed out, all of this is weakness, all of it, to the point to where we may actually see price in Nano break $2.10 to the downside. This 3-day price chart is massively bearish. It doesn't look strong at all. Now we might have momentarily movements to where price goes up, but this is not a bullish environment. Yeah, you can see price rise, of course. But the price, seemingly, if we do see a rise, it's going to get rejected. I will say no higher than 250. And the market won't come back up to 260. Okay. Look at Nano on the 5-day. This is Nano on the weekly. This is why the weakness is still coming through this week in Nano, because of what happened last week. This is 2 weeks. This is not a bullish chart in Nano. So let's continue to play some weakness into the market. Now, am I looking for price to hold 220? I'm not, but I'm still going to do a price target, because I can expect that there's a slight chance that buyers will come through and try to hold Nano's price at 220. I get that. I get it. That is why the current process is of us looking at that right now. So that would be the only thing that will go against my idea of seeing price in Nano continue to go down. All right. So check this out. We already got 260 as restriction, so I'm going to hold that there. And I know that as long as price in Nano continues to trade below 260, we can look for price to do what? Yes, go down. Now my first price target, okay, it's going to be here. $2.10. That gives us 7% movement to the downside. Right? Now look at this from a long-term perspective, right? You remember when I showed you the weekly and the 2 weeks time frame? Look at this on the 3 weeks. Look at that. We could go a lot lower. Okay. So my first price target is 210. My second one is going to be $2. And my third one is going to be like $1.85, $1.90. Okay, so we got $2.10, $2, and $1.86, $85, $1.90. Now, I'm not looking for price to come down to $1.85, $1.90 right now. I'm not. But it's just an extension for us to look at this from a long-term view, from 3 weeks, 2 weeks to a weekly basis, as to where we can possibly see price go. All right. Now, we don't see that. Again, I'm looking for buyers to approach $2.10 or $2 though. Now, that's it. I laid out what I think the price is going to do in Nano. Now it's your turn. Let me know. The comment section is open just for that. So you guys can drop your price target, your price predictions. We can see who's right before the market even moves. And you guys don't even have to put any money on the table. You just can try it out for yourself so that you can get the gist of being a predictor of markets. Join me. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.